Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we are back with another tweaking video guide. Before we get into the video, if you are having any issues running any of the files in the description, join the Discord and open the ticket within the server or DM me. We are usually active and will respond relatively quickly. But today we will be learning how to optimize our Nvidia GPU for the best performance and lowest delay. Please be sure to use a registry backup just in case if anything goes wrong. Every file is tested and it is safe to run, and you shouldn't have to worry about anything messing up. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I will post a link to this pack in the description of this video. Once you have downloaded this pack and extracted it to your desktop, you're going to want to open the pack and select the DDU folder. I have created a DDU.zip. You can go ahead and extract that as well. So once you have extracted it, you can go ahead and run the display driver uninstaller as admin, and you probably have a screen like this. And if you go back into the pack, I do have the best settings for it. Use these options right here and just go ahead and copy these settings like I have here. So we're going to do remove present and non-present monitors and remove Vulkan runtime. For Nvidia specific options, just follow what I have here. For AMD specific, we're going to remove all of them. Intel, remove them. And then for the advanced, do the prevent downloads of drivers from Windows Update. Once you've done that, you go ahead and close. You're going to select your GPU over here, and then you're going to click clean and restart. Once that's done and your PC is fully rebooted, you probably only have one monitor as of right now. If you've had two or more before, go ahead and open up the NV clean install, right click and run this as administrator. Once you have this open, I do have 20 series, 30 series, and 40 series GPU versions. For whatever GPU you're on, you can go ahead and test whatever you want here. And so since I'm on a 30 series, I'm going to go ahead and do the 30 series and up. Me personally, the 54629 version is the best one for me. So I would go ahead and select the desktop version. I would click next. And then for this screen here, come down here and click minimum. Go ahead and click next and let this install. So once you get to the screen, you can go ahead and head back to our pack, open up best settings for install and click the second image and go ahead and follow what I have here. I'm going to do the disable installer telemetry, unattend express installation, and then check the allow automatic reboot if needed. Then we're going to perform a clean installation, disabling MPO and cell. We're going to show expert tweaks. We're going to disable driver telemetry, and we're going to enable message signal interrupts. And then we're going to scroll down here. We'll open up this third one. We're going to use method compatibility with easy anti-cheat and automatically accept the driver on sign warning. And we'll click next. So now that you have downloaded your new Nvidia GPU driver, you can go back into our pack here. We're going to do our Nvidia profile inspector. Right click this and go ahead and run this as admin. Once this is open, you're going to want to drag this .nip file into the Nvidia profile inspector. It'll say it's successfully imported. Click OK and apply changes, and you are done with that. Now we can go into our Nvidia control panel settings. So we're going to go ahead and open that. So once you have Nvidia control panel open, we're going to click the one.txt. It's going to tell you where to go, adjust image settings with preview. We're going to do that. It's going to say select the third option, slide to performance, then select the second option and apply. So we're going to select this, drag it to performance, select the middle option and apply. Once you have finished that, you can come back into our pack and click our second option. Credits to Jerry on Twitter. I left the link to the guide to this info right here. So we're going to go to change resolution and select customize, and then enable resolutions not exposed by display and create a custom resolution. And then from here, we're going to decrease both front porch and sync width on both sides using the test button until you notice the display glitching out or out of range. So what I did here is change this from automatic to manual. And for most monitors, you were able to set all of these to 1, but go ahead and test yours one by one, whatever yours are at. I would do it in increments of 5 by lowering it to whatever it would be. Then once you have found your vertical and horizontal front porch and sync widths, we're going to go ahead and go to our vertical total pixels, and then whatever yours is on as of right now, you're going to up it by 20 to 25 each time until your monitor starts either glitching or starts feeling framey or starts black screening a lot. If it does start to black screen, what you can do is drop this by 5 each time until it feels better again. I wouldn't worry too much about the total pixels, as that will not change anything. Once you have done that, you have successfully overclocked your megahertz on your monitor. And for the third option back in our pack, we're going to go to select desktop size and position. I said here, if you play native, which is 1920 by 1080, you're going to go ahead and select no scaling. You're going to perform your scaling on the display, and then you're going to check the override scaling mode set by games and programs, and then you would select apply. And if you play on any stretched resolution, we're going to select full screen, and we're going to perform the scaling on the GPU and click the check mark here and go ahead and click apply. So that'll be it for the Nvidia control panel settings. Now we can go ahead and open our last step here, which is our last.bat. You can go ahead and edit it. It can show you all what it does. I made this personally. You go ahead and right click this and run this as administrator. It'll run all the tweaks in the background. And now you can go ahead and restart your PC. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys have any problems with any of the steps in this video, go ahead and shoot me a DM or comment on this video, or join the server and open a ticket. We will be there and respond relatively quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this helped you in any type of way, please leave a like and subscribe and comment how this helped you and affected your FPS and delay. And within the Exodus server, we have just released our ultimate utility, which includes Windows tweaks, registry, power tweaks, GPU, CPU, input, which has everything. So if you're tired of paying for manual tweaks that don't give you the results that you want and you want to tweak yourself, this is the perfect pack for you. So go ahead and join the link in the description and open a ticket to purchase. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one.